Look at the size of that pizza. It is thick, huge. All right, there's my hand. All right, probably doesn't give a good example of how big it is here. But either way, point being is, this is a homemade pizza, as you can tell it not being perfectly round. Here's how you do it. 2 cups of water, 4 cups of flour, about a heaping teaspoon of yeast, and about a large heaping tablespoon of sugar, and about a heaping tablespoon of salt. And that's it. I don't leave out the oil because at higher temperatures, the bread will start to burn because of oil. All right? So, really simple. Like I said, 2 of water, 4 of flour, a teaspoon of yeast, teaspoon of salt, heaping tablespoon of sugar. That's it. All right? And then you put it in the bread machine. If you have a Black & Decker, do it on 8. Easy. Tastes yummy. Better than any friggin' other store-bought pizza. Put your toppings on it. This one here has olives, onions, bacon, spicy salami, and chicken on it. I'm sure I missed something else. Oh yeah, and meatballs too. All right, check it out.